Hi little learners, today we're going to be learning about vowels. Do you know what a vowel is? You don't? Well, let's learn together. Vowels are found in our alphabet. Did you know that we have 26 letters in our alphabet? And only 5 of those are vowels. Let's see what they are. They are the letters A, E, I, O, U. Each of these vowels have 2 sounds, a short sound and a long sound. We're going to learn about both sounds today. Are you ready? Let's start with the letter A. This is the letter A. A. Uppercase A, lowercase a. Short A sounds like this. A as in apple. Apple. A. Can you think of a word that has a short A sound? Good job. The long A sounds like its own name as an ape. 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 Can you think of another word that has a long A sound? Good job. This is the letter E. E. Uppercase E, lowercase e. The short E sounds like this. Egg. Egg. E as in egg. Can you think of another word that has a short E sound? Good job. The long E sounds like its own name as an eagle. Eagle. Tell me another word that has a long E sound. Good job. This is the letter I. I. Uppercase I, lowercase I. The short I sounds like this. Iguana. Iguana. Can you think of a word that has a short I sound? Good job. The long I sounds like its own name as an ice. Ice. Think of another word that has a long I sound. Awesome. This is the letter O. O. Uppercase O, lowercase o. The short O sounds like this. Octopus. Octopus. Can you think of another word that has a short O sound? Great. The long O sounds like its own name as an ocean. Ocean. Tell me another word that has a long O sound. Yes, great job. This is the letter U. U. Uppercase U, lowercase u. The short U sounds like this. Umbrella. Umbrella. Think of another word that has the short U sound. Yes, that's correct. The long U sounds like its own name as in unicorn. Unicorn. Can you tell me another word that has a long U sound? Great job. Now, boys and girls, let's review what we have learned. Let's review our vowels A, E, I, O, U. Can you name these pictures with the short vowel sounds? Which ones do you remember? Let's see what you got correct. Did you get A for number 1, number 2, umbrella, 3, octopus, 4, apple, and 5, iguana? You did. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. You did amazing. Now let's look at our long vowel sounds. Remember, they sound like their own name. Name these pictures for me, please. Let's see how many you got correct. 1 was eagle, 2 ocean, 3 eyes, 4 unicorn, and 5 ape. Did you get all those correct? You did. Kiss your brain. You're so smart. Now, boys and girls, keep practicing your vowel sounds, short sound, and long sounds for each letter. This is going to help you to become a better reader and writer. Thanks for learning with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.